and pheromones. The conversation.
Hi beautiful, welcome to our dedicated tutorial on how to achieve the 24-hour laminated, fluffy, or wispy brow using our Honeydew brow setting kit from start to finish. Let's get started. Okay beauty, so before we get started, I'm going to introduce you guys to all of the key players. So this is our eyebrow wax. It's 100% handmade, flake free, it's clear, and it's quick to dry, and this stuff smells amazing. This product is also very easy to remove. We also have our setting spray, which works very well with our wax, and I'll be showing you guys that in just a moment. And here is our gel pen, which has a wind up method, and it has bristles at the top to brush that gel onto your brows. And with our disposable wand, I like to turn it to a 90-degree angle, so that's easier to get the product and work it onto my brows. I'm going to be showing you guys that process in just a moment. This is how the packaging looks, very, very pretty. And now we're going to actually start with our tutorial. Step 1, you want to use your eyebrow wax and your setting spray together. You're going to actually spray the setting spray onto the eyebrow wax so that it can get tacky. And then you want to take your wand and you want to basically pick the product up onto the brush so that you can move it around and then get that onto your eyebrows. You're going to notice that it's going to dry very fast, and when you start to work the product into your brows within seconds, it is going to get tacky and it's going to start flicking your eyebrows up into the shape that you desire. Step 2, you want to continue to work the product into your brows. What I like to do is spread the product all the way through my brows, and then I start to flick the eyebrows up into place how I desire. So continue this process, and as you're doing this, you can put your wand back into the wax. It is going to be tacky, so that's good. You don't have to spray it again, but you want it to be tacky, and you want to pick that product up onto the brush so that you can continue to get that laminated look. During this process, I am adding a little bit of pressure, and I'm also holding the brush a little differently, and that's so that I can have more control over the hairs, because the hairs will become a little stubborn as you put the wax on it because they're already pretty much set into place. So you're going to be having to do a little maneuvering of the eyebrows, and then you're going to basically shape it in the desired shape that you like. During this process, when you are using the product over and over again, you are going to see that your brows are already pretty much set and they're not moving or going anywhere. If you do require a little more product, you can go back into the wax when it's tacky and get some more on the brush and then put that into your brows and work it all the way through. You are going to notice that your brows at this point are set and they're not going anywhere. For our step 3, using our gel pen, we're going to actually seal those brows in, and we're going to use the smallest amount of the gel. I like to just pump some up and then squeeze it out a little bit, and then just use the residue of the gel to apply it to the brows. This is so that the brows can set for that 24-hour, and you basically are setting all the hairs into place. When you are completely satisfied with how your brows look, you're going to take your concealer and line your brows. I always like to stick to lining the bottom, not the top, because I like how it looks very natural and it doesn't really look too forced. So that's all that I do. These steps, if you follow all these steps, your brows will be sealed. They will not go anywhere. They will not move. As you guys can see here, my brows are all set. They're not moving. Once you apply that thin layer of gel, your eyebrows are going to pretty much set almost immediately. You can fan them just a little bit if you would like, but they're going to be pretty much set into place. And so this is how one brow came out. I'm going to actually do the other brow off camera, and I'm going to come back to show you guys how both of the brows look together and how it comes together at the end. Okay, you guys, so these are the final results on the brows. They came out amazing. If you follow all of these steps, your brows will come out amazing. They will not go anywhere. They will look perfect, and you will be ready to take on your day. And out of all things in my makeup routine, my eyebrows are the #1 thing that lasts me all day. And these brows are like my signature. And I'm so happy to be sharing this product with you guys because I worked so hard on it, so hard on perfecting this process. And we have gotten there, you guys. It's a 24-hour hold. They look amazing and I just love them so much. All right, beauties, we are now at our final look. This is how everything comes together with my makeup and my hair, and I feel amazing and my brows look even more amazing. If you guys are interested in this product, please visit us at eyeminks.com. If you're watching this video after you already purchased your Honeydew kits, thank you guys so much. And I cannot wait to see the reviews. I can't wait to see you guys in your laminated brows. And as always, it's my pleasure, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.